What happens to your body when you run 30 minutes every day? Have you ever wondered what just 30 minutes of running each day could do to your body? The results may surprise you. From your heart to your brain, and even your mood, running transforms your body in powerful ways. Let's explore what happens when you commit to this simple daily habit. 1. Heart health. Running is one of the best exercises for your heart. It strengthens your heart muscles, improves circulation, and lowers your risk of heart disease. Just half an hour of running can reduce blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. You get these benefits because your heart learns to pump blood more efficiently, and your blood vessels stay flexible, keeping your cardiovascular system young and strong. 2. Weight and metabolism. Depending on your pace and weight, running for 30 minutes can burn between 250 to 400 calories. Over time, this daily calorie burn boosts your metabolism, meaning your body becomes better at using energy even when resting. This makes it easier to manage weight, prevent obesity, and even balance blood sugar levels. 3. Brain and mood. Running doesn't just change your body, it changes your brain. It triggers the release of endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine, chemicals that fight stress, anxiety, and depression. This is what people call the runner's high. It also improves blood flow to the brain, helping you focus better, think more clearly, and protect your memory as you age. 4. Muscles and bones. Every stride you take builds stronger muscles and bones. Running puts gentle stress on your bones, which signals your body to increase bone density, lowering the risk of osteoporosis. Your legs, glutes, and core muscles also strengthen, giving you better posture, balance, and overall strength. Over time, you'll notice leaner, toned muscles. 5. Immune system. Running daily can make your immune system more active. When you run, your body increases circulation of white blood cells and antibodies, which helps fight off viruses and infections. It also reduces chronic inflammation, making your body stronger against colds and even lifestyle diseases like diabetes. 6. Sleep and energy. Do you struggle with sleep? Running helps regulate your circadian rhythm, the body's natural clock, so you fall asleep faster and get deeper, more restorative rest. At the same time, daily running increases oxygen flow and endorphins, giving you more daytime energy and less fatigue. 7. Longevity. Studies show runners live longer than non-runners, even if they only run a few minutes per day. Running 30 minutes daily lowers your risk of chronic illnesses, keeps your organs healthier, and slows the aging process at the cellular level. In short, it doesn't just add years to your life, it adds quality to those years. So, what happens when you run 30 minutes every day? You build a stronger heart, boost your metabolism, sharpen your brain, strengthen your bones, improve your immunity, sleep better, and even extend your life. One simple habit can completely transform your health, physically and mentally. Would you give it a try? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs motivation today. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. See you in the next video. Stay blessed. Goodbye.